there, I'm Max, and I'm here to take you on a tour of our awesome office. Welcome to Clark Staff. Located at the heart of Pampanga here in the Philippines, Clark Staff has over 31,000 square feet of co-working space. Our outsourcing facilities encourage collaboration and excellent communication. Everyone has the ability to get out of their seat and ask for help from anyone in the office. We have a conference room complete with whiteboards, conference systems, and a projector for team meetings and training sessions. A biometric system to keep track of when your employees are arriving and leaving the office. CCTV cameras to ensure security in and around the facility. Aside from the centralized high-speed internet, we provide turnkey workstations to ensure the best quality of work from your staff. We also have a lounge area where our client staff can relax and spend their free time. The pool area can be used by the staff upon request. Lastly, we have a fully equipped pantry and cafeteria where our staff can enjoy fresh food and snacks throughout the day. Here at Clark Staff, we offer world-class infrastructure and equipment to make sure your remote staff have everything they need to keep your business running smoothly.
Book a free consultation today and let our team of experts help you.